Hey everybody, how are we today? Well, as you can plainly see, we're playing Banjo-Tooie because clearly my runs did not go too well today, dying 4 times in freaking Bubble Loop Swamp. Anyways, um, I'm in Grunty Industries outside of Wamba's Wigwam with a washing machine. Why, you may be asking? Well, you might know that there's a killer beehive right there called the Cursed Beehive. Red eyes and stuff like that. Well, I'm definitely not going to shoot it right now. We're going to have a little bit of fun with said beehive. For a few minutes. So, let's go. And the reason why we're going to have fun with the beehive with the washing machine is because it shoots out underwear. So, let's go. Get over here, buddy. Get over here, buddy. Oh, your red eyes? You think that's scaring me? Let's play some tag, see if you can get me. Come on. Damn, a washing machine can freaking outbeat a beehive in a race if possible. Oh, you got me. Oh, here we go again. Oh, you want a piece of me, buddy? It's amazing how a beehive without arms can run and even get you. Now the reason why I'm picking this enemy is for one, like I said, it's outside Humble Wombas. And for two, it's my favorite enemy in the game. And for three, it's one of the only enemies without arms. Just the red eyes are creepy as all hell. Let's do a figure eight, bud. Whee! Oh, I ran right into you. Jesus, okay. I got your point. Alright, now this is where the fun begins. There we go. And the fun just ended. And this is what I call fun with a beehive. Thank you for watching.